Yeah, today's video is kinda exceptional because usually I don't videotape the flower garden, you know. It says 고추랑. So there are so many kinds of plants.
If you wanna have any suggestion, give it back to you. I'ma tell you the secret why I gotta do this. Must be the money.
Hello YouTube, my name is Mike. Before I begin today's video, I want to have something to say. For those who got laid off or have no longer income because of the coronavirus, I feel so sorry for you to hear. But everyone on this planet has the same issue as you do. Wherever you are quarantined to stay indoors, so please don't feel down. It may be none of your business if I give you my personal financial advice, but I feel so happy if you take a moment with me and think about what to do from now on. Today, I would like to show you how I spend my money for a month. I mean, for the past couple of months. I want to share my idea on my personal financial management with you. Some of you might be jobless or don't expect to get the next job for a long run because you got a lockdown and you can't even go out for your interview. Obviously, you need to make both ends meet until the coronavirus is gone. I know it's been really tough to withdraw your funds from your banking account if you are out of cash. As I introduced my monthly pay slip in a previous video, right here, my net income is nearly equal to 25,000 US dollar, which may be pretty good pay for you, but this time it doesn't really matter how much money I make. The point is that it's very important to know how to spend it. I told you the exact same things in a past video before, but today I'm gonna go through with it more specifically. Firstly, it's about the fixed cost. My housing loan is 40,000 Japanese yen. Lunch allowance to my parents is 10,000. Utility is 10,000. Communication expense including cell phone bill, Wi-Fi router, broadband cost with home internet is 12,000. And more importantly, accumulated fund for stock investment is 100,000. I still keep investing for the same amount every month, so totally I invest 1.2 million Japanese yen in 1 year. Basically, they can't be modified, you know, so those expenses can't be fluctuated throughout the year. The next one is about variable cost. Majority of my variable cost per month is mainly food. There are two types of food costs. One is lunch and the other is both breakfast and dinner. I usually ask my mom to make lunchbox for me, which is considered as the food fixed cost. That's why the lunch allowance to my parents is 10,000 Japanese yen. I'm living with my parents and help them to buy the grocery stuff and food in a local supermarket by my car because they are too old to drive. We are helping each other to save money for the cost of food. I would rather bring my lunchbox than buy food at the cafeteria in the company because it's way cheaper. But I make myself breakfast though. And for dinner, I go out because I go home late. Overall, I pay about 20 10,000 on Japanese yen on average. I'm subject to change my everyday lifestyle on a daily basis, so I never say I'm consistent in my scheduled plan. So it's up to how I need to do my work flexibly. I try not to spend unnecessary or extravagant leisure costs like hanging out with my friend or for no special purpose or reason, buying luxury stuff, gambling, pachinko, tobacco, alcohol just for fun. If it doesn't mean to make video on YouTube, it's just not good. Yeah, I always think about how I can make more money. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's called compound interest. If you can well do with asset management in the right way, you're not gonna have to worry about being out of cash in an economical recession or unexpected incident like coronavirus. That sounds good, right? Right. So people are aware of it, but they actually don't do anything. We all know it's too late when the things happens, but they actually do not do anything. I think that's the big differences between rich and poor people. From my experiences and my personal perspectives, poor people tend to be too easygoing, too optimistic, and they tend to do nothing but one thing. Here's a secret of mine. I don't want you to misunderstand my point. It's just a psychological mentality. If you think you are poor, that means you are poor. If you stay positive, you are positive. It's good to work hard and push yourself to your limit, but it doesn't always mean you can be wealthy. Yeah, it's sarcastic for people to claim and say, I'm jobless. I need a financial aid from the government ASAP because that means for me, they acknowledge they are poor. Yeah, look at the stupid case. You know what they are doing? They block the local street and do barbecue right in front of crowded houses. You know why? They are saying it's okay because usually we stay outdoor all day and we are surrounded by virus all the time. We have antibody against the virus, so coronavirus is not exceptional. Oh man, ignorance is guilty. Yeah, seriously, younger people are ignoring the orders of social distance. This is so unintelligent and reckless. I can't even believe that's happening in Japan. Yeah, look at the Florida case too. Yeah, all beaches are closed, but beach in Florida only blocked the parking. Last night, Florida reported that the state has 46 active cases of coronavirus. There will be many more reported tonight. Why are there people there? Because the state still won't shut down the state. If you get sick, I think we'd better send them to the beach again instead of hospital. Yeah, now we are facing the dramatic challenge. Tokyo is just about to put an order out, and when we get the actual lockdown, that's gonna be worse financially. All we gotta do is to stay home and do what we can do. Yeah, in the beginning of the video, I filmed the flower festival in Mie Prefecture, but I want you to notice this is even the threat of the infection. When I realized I was growing a pandemic, it's too late. Yeah, now I'm forcing to minimize spending as much money as possible. I quit eating snack, sugar, I tried to buy less food, and minimize driving, buying online, stop going dinner at the restaurant. I did my best. I was fortunate that I didn't have my wife and the kids, so I don't have to worry about them, and even no need to take care of them. But for those who are in a critical financial crisis, I recommend you to do nothing for now. Japan plans to give financial aid at 300,000 Japanese yen in cash to each household in need. I really hope it works for now. Like I said, under the very particular situation with the coronavirus, we are forced to change our mind control. Yeah, telework or remote work from home is being a major work reform in Japan. There are a lot of changes that we need to get adapted for the new environment. You know, the old-fashioned era, like we keep working hard, we stick to one job, just one job, has no longer existed. You know, if we take it positive, coronavirus may be an assignment. You know, we are tackling the present challenge that we are trying to go through with it. I think future of work will fundamentally change. So to speak, that the discipline. Yeah, the coronavirus is teaching us how to resolve the problem. I don't know how folks out there feel about it, but at least I'm increasing multiple incomes like salary from the tech company, capital gain, dividend from stock I own, and foreign exchange as well. From those profits, I'm trying to monetize from YouTube with the money so that I can expand my business opportunity based on what I really want to do in the future. I want to make my dream come true. How about yours? Yeah, tell me briefly about yourself. I want to hear from you. Yeah, comment me down below so that I can read you and reply back to you ASAP. Let's discuss. Yeah, don't be shy. Yeah, I'll wait for you. And thank you for watching today's video again. I'll see you next time and have a good weekend at home. And please watch out the infection of coronavirus. Your real enemy is right behind you.